insects can perceive small differences in the air temperature. Cymex is sensitive to changes of less than 1 degree centigrade. In Periplaneta, there are 4 units. First unit, the output is directly proportional to the temperature. In second unit, output is also directly proportional, but when the temperature rises, there's a transient increase when the temperature falls. The third unit, cold receptor, is more active and at low temperature than the high temperature. And fourth unit, uninfluenced by temperature. Upper lethal temperatures. Upper lethal temperature means higher than optimum temperature. In insects, enzyme regulated metabolic processes can proceed with a range of temperature. The metabolic rate increases with the temperature up to an optimum. At high temperatures, metabolic rate is reduced because enzymes are destroyed rapidly. At the upper end of the temperature range, above the preferred temperature, preferred means optimum temperature, beneficial for insects. Insects show a sharp rise in the activity. At first, they show the sharp rise in the activity at still higher temperature. Insects show inability to move, heat stupor, and followed by death of insects. Death at high temperature may result because protein may be denaturated or balance of metabolic processes may be disturbed so that toxic products accumulate. This is the graph. Time in minutes, temperature, activity. Temperature, increase in temperature, activity increases, then decreases, then inability to move and death. For many insects, the lethal temperature for short-term exposure is within the range of 40 degree to 50 degree centigrade. Because insects are tiny individuals and they cold-blooded individuals, so they can't regulate their temperature according to the environment. And Blatta can survive for 24 hours at 37 to 39 degrees centigrade if the air is moist, but dies at 37 to 39 degrees centigrade if the air is dry. So this is the one of also factor that either air is moist or dry, because here temperature is the same, but because of the air, either it is moist or dry, Blatta can survive for 24 hours. So this is known as upper lethal temperature. Upper lethal temperature means higher temperature at the temperature that is lethal to tiny individuals, insects.